Hello everyone, let's record the mistakes of the test 10 which was conducted on morphology of flowering plants of total 400 marks. And the question is, the first mistake that I made was of the ninth question. It said that identify the correct order of the following four zones in the route from apex to base. Okay. So they have given one as mineral absorption zone, second as meristematic zone, third as maturation zone, fourth as water absorption zone, right? Now the thing is that first will be actually meristematic zone, but it can be mineral absorption zone also, because root hairs also can absorb minerals, right? It can be one or two. So, like C, first if we'll go according to the C option, then it will be like, first will be the meristematic zone, then water absorption zone, then will be the mineral absorption zone, and then will be the maturation zone. And if we will go according to the D option, it will be, first will be the mineral absorption zone, second will be the meristematic zone, fourth will be the water absorption zone, and third will be the maturation zone. So this can be the order, right? So yes, so actually the thing is that C and D options are correct. A option is totally wrong. It has no logic, Mineral absorption zone and water absorption zone can never be after maturation zone. Yes, it's true that they are included in the maturation zone, but it's totally wrong that they will be after the maturation zone. So why they gave it as right answer, I don't know, but it's okay that I know firmly that C and D option is the right answer, right? I always support the truth. And yes, then this was the next mistake. 19th question, hypanthodium inflorescence is found in. So this is the conceptual question. It was a serious mistake. I was not knowing about this. It was A option, ficus. Now what is hypanthodium inflorescence? Let's see about it on the Google.
See the arrangement of flower on the floral axis. So many different types of arrangement of flowers is possible. Different forms of arrangement of the flowers. Fine? This arrangement of flowers on the floral axis is termed as inflorescence. Arrangement of flowers in the floral axis is termed as inflorescence. Example is ficus. So here, what happens then? Two lateral branches and it terminates by the inflorescence looks like a single flower. Yes. Entire inflorescence looks like a single flower. Look here. You know what? Single male flower and single female flower. Let me correct it. Single female flower and many male flowers are there. Single flower. Sandium. Let me talk about next one.
No.
Hypanthodium. Hypanthodium found in ficus. See here. Okay. The inflorescence axis condensed and forms a fleshy cup-like structure with apical opening. Can you see the opening over here? Apical opening. And small sessile and unisexual flowers are present inside the cup. See here. Male flower, fertile female flower. This is the gall flower. You know what is the gall flower? Gall flower is basically a short style flower. It has a short style. And later, they become the mass of pulpy structure, pulpy tissue of the plant. Fine? So they turn pulpy. Example is ficus. inflorescence. So here, what happens? The inflorescence axis is condensed and forms a fleshy.
इन्फ्लोरेसेंस है, ठीक है। अब इन्फ्लोरेसेंस क्या होता है? जो फ्लावर्स की अरेंजमेंट होती है, फ्लावर्स का अरेंजमेंट जो होता है, ठीक है, कहाँ पे पेनिकल पे कह सकते हैं या स्टेम पे कह सकते हैं, उसको क्या कहते हैं? इन्फ्लोरेसेंस कहते हैं, ठीक है। तो हमसे पूछे कि हाइपेंथोडियम इन्फ्लोरेसेंस ये हमें किसमें देखने को मिलती है, तो उससे पहले हमें पता होना चाहिए कि हाइपेंथोडियम इन्फ्लोरेसेंस में होता क्या है, ओके। तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं ये डायग्राम जो हमने पेश करा है, ये किसका है? हाइपेंथोडियम इन्फ्लोरेसेंस का। यहाँ पे ये वाला जो पोर्शन है ये पूरा क्या है? रिसेप्टिकल है, ठीक है। तो यहाँ पे सबसे पहली बात क्या बनता है? कप शेप्ड रिसेप्टिकल, ओके। अब इस रिसेप्टिकल के टॉप पे प्रेजेंट होता है एक पोर, जिसको हम क्या कहते हैं? ऑस्टियोल। तो यहाँ पे क्या है? ऑस्टियोल प्रेजेंट होता है, ठीक है। अब यहाँ पे आप देख रहे हैं, यहाँ पे साइड में यहाँ पे अरेंज है फ्लावर्स, ठीक है। तो ये जो फ्लावर्स होते हैं डिफरेंट टाइप्स के होते हैं। अब इसको कैसे याद रखना है? जो पोर्स के पास प्रेजेंट होते हैं, ऑस्टियोल के पास जो प्रेजेंट होते हैं अपने, ठीक है। जैसे मान लो यहाँ पे अपना ऑस्टियोल है, तो जो ऑस्टियोल के पास प्रेजेंट होंगे वो दोनों अपने कैसे होंगे? दोनों साइड मेल फ्लावर्स, ठीक है। और ऑस्टियोल से सबसे दूर यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट होते हैं अपने फीमेल फ्लावर्स, और मेल और फीमेल फ्लावर्स के बीच में प्रेजेंट होते हैं क्या? अपने स्टेराइल फ्लावर्स, ठीक है। यानी कि यहाँ पे कुछ क्वेश्चन स्टेराइल फ्लावर्स का होगा, यहाँ पे भी कुछ क्वेश्चन स्टेराइल फ्लावर्स का होगा। एग्जाम में देखो एक तो ये क्वेश्चन बनता है कि हाइपेंथोडियम इन्फ्लोरेसेंस हमें किसके अंदर देखने को मिलता है, साथ ही साथ हमसे कभी-कभी पूछ लेते हैं कि हमें 3 डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ फ्लावर्स कौन से इन्फ्लोरेसेंस के अंदर देखने को मिलती है, यानी कि मेल, फीमेल और न्यूटर, यानी कि जिसके अंदर एंड्रोशियम और गायनोशियम दोनों एब्सेंट हो, और वी कैन से स्टेराइल फ्लावर किसके अंदर देखने को मिलता है। तो उसके इसमें आंसर क्या हो जाएगा यहाँ पे? हाइपेंथोडियम, ओके। तो ये हमें देखने को मिलता है किसके अंदर? फिकस के अंदर, पीपल के अंदर, ठीक है, बनियन के अंदर और फिग के अंदर। तो अपने यहाँ पे करेक्ट चॉइस हो जाएगा ऑप्शन नंबर 1। थैंक यू।
Now I got to know about the hypanthodium inflorescence. It is just the inflorescence where the receptacle is cup-shaped, and it consists of 3 types of flowers. The flowers which are present near of the ostiole. Ostiole is a pore which is present on the upside of the receptacle, cup-shaped receptacle, and the flowers which are near to that ostiole are male flowers, and the flowers which are at the center, like they are away from the ostiole, are female flowers, and the flowers between the male and female flowers are the sterile flowers which are called as pistillode or staminode. They do not have any of the androecium and gynoecium. So it is seen in ficus, banyan, people, and many other fig also, right? So hypanthodium inflorescence is found in ficus. In this question, option A is the right answer, right? 20th question says that first it bear leaves and branches, conduction of water and minerals, storage of food. These are the functions of. I was knowing this, that the B option is the right answer, but then also I felt it uncertain about that answer. I felt that somewhat it will be like root, but I did not attempt it in hurry and I could not complete it in time. So I was knowing it, but I did not attempt it in the paper. So I made a silly mistake in this. Then next mistake was, okay, so this colchicum, this 24th question, colchicum autumnale, it belongs to Liliaceae family. It's the right answer, right? Then this was also, I was like somewhat uncertain about it, but it was given in our notebook notes that see, 30th question is saying that which one of the following monocotyledonous seed is non-endospermic. It is exception that only orchid is a monocot whose seeds are non-endospermic. They are exalbuminous, means they do not store food in the endosperm, right? Then is the, okay, so then is the 49th question. I made a silly mistake again. So 49th question wants to say that flowers in which only one set of essential organ is present are said to be. So first thing is, like they have given option A as bisexual, B as monoecious, C as dioecious, and D as unisexual. Now the thing is that dioecious is also the right answer for this question, but if they had asked the plant in which one set of essential organ, like see, dioecious is the term related to whole plant, Monoecious is also the term related to whole plant, but if we consider a particular flower of that plant, then we have to use the term as unisexual or bisexual. And so they have asked the question that flowers in which only one set of essential organ, that is only either androecium is present or gynoecium is present, and that is present in only unisexual flower. But if they would have asked about the plant, then I would have attempted, like I had attempted dioecious, it would be the definitely, like it's like confirm, it would be the right answer. Then next mistake, and this was the silliest mistake I ever made. Okay, it was only because I did not had control on my emotions, on my mind. So for that, meditation is important. Psyche. So 62nd question is saying that prop roots are the modification for. Now I know that prop roots are the modification of adventitious roots. Prop roots are modified. It's like they are modification of the banyan tree, right? And they are modified for support. How can I select it as for respiration, dear? Respiration is carried on by pneumatophores, and they are the modifications of taproot. This was I was feeling so guilty for this that like but it's okay. I made mistake. I'll not repeat it again. For that, I have to consistently meditate. That is the best solution for this problem that I faced. Right? No, there is no mistake other than these all mistakes. There are two silly mistakes, two serious mistakes. Serious mistakes were of the concepts, 9th and 19th question. But 9th question I would have got marks, but I did not get it, unfortunately. But it's okay that I would have scored either 382 or 377. It's not a bad score, right? So I'll improve the score surely, and thank you. And one more thing or the concern is that I took almost 1 hour for it, right? Because they gave us paper on 8/6. But I had to be confirm on the questions and answers. For that, practice was important. But I had practiced. That is not like that. Yeah, I did not practice. But I was needed to be confident before the test. Okay, whatever I had prepared, I had to be confident on what I had prepared for the test. So solution is meditation is very important for these 2 years. Not 2 years, for throughout this life, because it is important to keep you stable, right? Thank you.